and Evan, we're going to do some fishing. We're on day 2 of our Memorial Day trip. As you can see, I'm trolling because my motor won't start. If it wasn't for bad luck, we wouldn't have no luck at all.
And he has a cameraman now.
Yeah, and Evan's cameraman. So what we're going to do is, we're going to come up in this cove right by Cypress Bend where we came. Since that's the only spot I can get to in the trolling motor right now.
If you don't subscribe to him, I will find you.
Fish. But it also is out the wind, so
yeah,
we might get on the spot right by the camp. But we're gonna give it a go. All right. That's a pretty good chicken pen right there. Didn't put it on film because we were just looking around to see if we could find a hole first, and put that nice one out of a hole. Well, it might be a hole. We're gonna see.
He got him a big fish. Oh man, yeah, big fish.
That video probably won't make it good. I'm gonna get back on. There's a hole right there.
Well, it's. Yeah, that cast it. Wait, where did it go? Oh, it's right there. You got a fishy.
It don't feel too good though, like the other ones. I don't know. We're starting to pull towards the end.
Imagine it's a cat. Look at that fishy.
There's a hole there. So it's nice to find a hole right by the camp.
Oh, God. We got another fishy, and I'm gonna try and fish with one hand. I was about to say I'll try with one hand.
There you go. Evan's casting, I'm filming. Oh, he missed. But we got probably 7 keepers in the boat so far in this one little spot. Yeah. Right by the camp. See? That's the campground over there. We had to go all the way around though to get right here because the boat motor didn't work. But I talked to my dad. He's going to help me look at it. Hopefully. Oh, you got that one.
Oh, yeah, he's a big one. That's
a big one too. Nope. Oh, it's not? Oh. No, I know. But hey, it's a fish. Yeah, let's get a big one back. I know they got some big ones over there. I've caught some big ones over there. But it's hard to see from this angle. Oh, got him. That's a good one. Yeah, this one ain't gonna be no small one, I don't think. That's a keeper. Yeah, it's a bigger one. Not as big as that chicken pen, but it's bigger. I got one on the line, y'all, and it's probably pretty good. Yeah, it's a keeper.
And normally when my subscribers ask me if I can play. Oh, you have something. Ooh, that's a big one. Yep. I think I gave you the powers of using 2 phones.
Yep.
Oh, I forgot the live well was open. I almost put my phone down right there. Well, my phone is water resistant.
Another chicken pen. Another chicken pen.
Chicken pen! You just put it up in there. Look at all the fishies we got in there. I'm a good cameraman. Yep. Good thing I came with you this weekend. Oh, yeah. Gotta smash that like button now. Yep. Got a fishy. I'm about to go live. Should I go live? Okay, I'm gonna try. Fishy. Look at all the fishies in there.
At least 30 to 40 fish in that live well right now.
Yeah.
I'm probably off on my count. I'm probably undercounting.
I'm gonna be the cameraman for like a little.
That sounds like a plan. Evan the cameraman. And then should have brought the GoPro that his daddy was letting me borrow.
Yeah, we could have.
Yeah, we could be filming on the GoPro. That'd be next, I guess.
Oh, you got one. You got one?
Yeah, that's a good one too, I think. You feel good. Look at that pole bending.
Oh God. Look at that pole bending. Yeah. Yeah, buddy.
Oh, yeah. That's a chug.
Oh, people are going to start getting all mad at me now.
Why is that?
Because I did. Oh, yeah. And there's a YouTuber that actually does that.
I say all kinds of stuff. I don't care who get mad at me or not.
I'll give you my address, pull up, and I'll fight.
Oh.
She always calls me bud.
Oh, there's one. Gotcha. Ah, that's a little one.
Hey.
Oh, we're starting to pull towards the end. Let's see what we got here.
We could.
Fish. Give me that for the
Oh yeah, I might have missed one fish,
he's
but
peeing on me. He peed on me.
that was a swish. Look at all the fish we got in there,
Like
guys.
Michael Jordan.
It's
nice to be back to that first hole.
you want me to put?
Go eat breakfast.
I'm about to go play some music too.
I like.
Oh,
That's a good one.
that one swiped under.
That's a keeper. Give me that for the fish. Give me that fish.
Look at that fish.
Woo.
Because they know I'm pretty much a Fortnite.
Yeah.
So they would be like, bruh, you need to just stop.
I got videos all kinds
Look.
of stuff. That's a fish. Maybe,
Wow.
Maybe they're still there. Maybe they're still there.
Yeah, I bet you they're still
That's a
there.
good one. Yeah.
We got us a fishy.
It might still be there. It might just be up underneath that tree now.
They're trying to take some, unless they know it's about to rain.
Yeah. Well, I think the rain done. Look, it done passed.
Woohoo!
Yeah.
Ooh, look at his belly.
Oh yeah, pretty fish.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty fish. Pretty fish. Oh. He peed.
Oh God! All seas you just go. Whoa. This thing quick. You could try. Wait, what? That looks like yours. Like they have a cork in a tree right there. And it looks just like his. So I'm getting a little suspicious. Is that your cork?
Some good tunes while me and Evan troll back to the camp because the boat won't start.
Listen to Cajun music.
Some good Cajun music, yeah. But we probably got at least 40 brim. We're gonna do a count this time on camera. But we probably got at least 40 brim in the live well that we're gonna put on ice here in a little bit. What's that, Evan? We'd have had 50. I don't know if we're quite at 50 today. I'm calling 40. I'm calling 40. I'm calling 41. That's it. That's my number. I'm calling right now. It's really just a guess though. You calling 43? Evan's calling 43. I'm calling 41. But we're just making our curve around the little deal there. As you can see, we get the trolling this. Luckily, it ain't too choppy because then the trolling motor will probably be calling old Jimbo to pull me back. But it's kind of choppy. We're just gonna troll back though. We just gotta make it around that pier, and then you're back to where the campers are over there. So, adapt and overcome, baby. Adapt and overcome. All right, let's do a count from this morning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Oh, see, we got another one. Well, we didn't put none in here. So 39. My count was a little off, but 39. It's a pretty good morning. Pretty good morning.
I'm gonna make them eat this big cookie.
They're fishing.
Tap on one of those, huh?
I'm just gonna take a little break because I've been messing up on stuff. Oh, look, he's about to get a. Sorry, guys. We have my partner, my friend Dylan, and you know it's Dominic and me. We have so many ants in the boat right now.
Yep.
And shoot, yeah.
Dylan got one.
Oh, Dylan got him one. You can't see the bobber, but. Oh, they're in your case. That's where they are. There's Dylan's fish. Boom. That was a gunshot. They might have shot that snake that was in Baba Graveyard. Just call me and I'll ask my dad to bring me. Man, I wish you had that pink thing. Oh, you should have brought your GoPro. Well, my dad. Yeah. We could use that for tubing too. Yeah, but it's gonna be for your video. Huh?
I got this one.
Oh yeah, I got that on camera. He caught him one. There's his fish. Let me see your fish.
The biggest one we caught just a while ago.
Yep.
I was about to get one.
Dominator.
There you go. I told you he was gonna get
Dominator got him
one.
one.
Caught it. Good, Dominic. Ooh, that looks like a good one. Yeah.
Show your fish, Dominator. Dominator's fish. Now, Dylan, you need to catch you one. Come on. He almost caught him a fish, but I guess it was like. Yeah, come on, catch your fish, bro. The video peoples want to watch.
Oh yeah, Dylan got one. Looks like a good
He
one.
got him a fish too. Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's see a fish.
There you go, Dylan. Me and Dominic gonna see who gets the fish first. Oh yeah. Well, Dominic got the bite first, so who's gonna catch the fish first?
Who's gonna get it first?
Needs your help. Oh, a lot of practice, dude. I've been doing this a long time.
Oh yeah. My dad said I've been doing this ever since I was 5.
Yeah, probably.
Fishing, but I've never.
I've been doing this since probably 3.
Dang, Dom.
I've been doing this since I was 4, but I didn't really.
Dominic, I started taking Dominic in the boat pretty young.
I didn't go in the boat. I went to
Dominic went old blue. We didn't even have his boat when I first started taking Dominic.
Oh, blue.
Blue boat.
My dad's old truck. We used to call it
Old blue is the boat that me and your daddy went fishing in when we were kids.
Somebody's crossed the lines.
Yeah, we crossed. A sailboat out on the Toledo Bend. That's pretty cool. Yeah. Yeah. Sailboat on the bend. It's a good place to do that. It's pretty cool. Me and the youngins probably got, what y'all think? 35 to 40 in there?
I'm gonna
Yeah,
say
I'd say-
29.
Yeah, I'm gonna say 35.
I'm gonna say 30.
How much?
I'm gonna say 30.
30?
29.
29, 30, 45, and I said 35, huh?
Yeah.
That's what we're gonna check out. We're gonna.
We are tubing today. We are pulling Dominator.
All right, lean back. Y'all ready? Lean back.
Lean back. Look at Timon just laughing. I'm sorry, I can't hold this thing still. A little bit of Mardi Gras by my side. That's what you need to do. You need to put a song where I need a little bit of Mardi Gras by my side. Woohoo! Woo! I'm wondering what it would be like doing solo. It would definitely be, you can lay it down. You can't do it when you have two people, so.
Tell me if it falls.
Okay, I am. Silly. Okay, you want me to end it?
Oh, you're just on this side and you want to leave.
Yeah, you can still see them all.
David, come play. Come play. Come play.
What's our team name?
Team, kick all these motherfucking asses.
I like that. How we spell that? Team kick all them motherfucking asses.
Can I get anything in?
Yeah, you can get one in. We got 18.
Put me in the group.
I just watched the board.
Lazy.
Oh, that almost was the winner. Cypress Bend. From the water. They gonna call the social services on us. Doing child abuse on this tube. I'm just playing. They loving it.
I would like to do adult trip.
We adults.
I would like to
Yeah, but we do Gator Ground. We can invite Kobe and them.
I want to go on an adult trip to Cajun Palm.
We go on the Cajun Farm. Yeah, we can invite Kobe and them to Cajun Farm.
Oh yeah, she wrote on my post the other day. No, you better not be videoing
Look at your phone, Amanda.
Oh, grab my phone. Oh, grab my phone. It's not-
Well, been a fun 3 days. Kind of lost track of time. That's what happens when you're having fun. Drinking on a little drink. But this video is going to be probably kind of weird because it's going to kind of go from fishing to tubing to hanging out and whatever I even remembered to record. So cool. That's all good. But Toledo Bend, kind of rainy today, but it's still beautiful out here. Love being on the water, love being out here. Good times, good times. Alright. Probably get copyrighted for saying that. I don't know. I ain't ready for it to end, man. I'm ready to stay out here even longer, but gotta go back to work. Figure out another video of something else later on. Till then, take it easy, y'all.